Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Columbus Aviation, and welcome back to Airport CEO, where we have yet another tutorial today. Today we are doing cabin cleaning. So yeah, it's another pretty simple one, like catering, which is what we did in the last video. So hope you guys are. I hope you guys find this easy. Alright, so the first thing for cleaning service that you have to do is you're gonna go into the operations and R&D menu, and you're gonna basically research the cleaning service project, which requires the extended commercial license and medium aircraft permit as well. So you need those before you can research this. And then once you have this, you can place down your catering depot within your airport. It will take a little bit of time to research, as per usual. So you'll place down your catering depot in the airport. Now you want to make sure both sides actually have a connection to a service road. This is one of the very few assets where you need a connection on two sides. So I will just connect up over here. That's how you do it. It doesn't really have to be connected to a road, but I'm sorry, I should rephrase that. It doesn't really have to have a road running right beside it to connect both sides, but that is the best practice. Pathfinding kind of gets wonky if you don't. So the next thing you want to do is go into your vehicle menu and purchase vehicles, and then purchase however many cabin cleaning trucks you need. I personally have one per stand, but this is a small airport, and in most circumstances you wouldn't need that many. So those, don't mind what I'm doing with the subway here, I'm making queue times better. So those will show up to your airport, and will leave apparently. Here it comes. What is this guy doing? I don't think he knows how to drive. Okay, they will show up to your airport and park just in their dedicated depot. So yeah, next thing you want to do, actually, you don't have to hire anybody. You're just about done already. All you have to do is turn on your cleaning service, and then the next aircraft coming in should just be cleaned automatically. Alright, so we're at our vehicle depot here, and you can see the cabin cleaning truck comes out just about first, and it comes around to the back and hooks up to the rear door and just cleans it. You will make money from it being cleaned, however, I've got sandbox mode on, so I'm not losing or making any money. This is purely just for the tutorials. And then it will basically go, and here's another one. This one's leaving. They will go, and then they will go up to the cleaning depot, I believe. Right? Nope. Well, once they're full, basically, once they're full of trash bags, they'll go up to the cleaning depot, and then a waste truck will come and pick them up. So let's see that in action. Alright, so what you can see here is our cabin cleaning truck, which is almost full of trash bags, driving up to our our cleaning depot and dumping out the trash bags. And then the trash bag depot can store up to about 5 catering, goodness, I keep saying catering. It can store up to about 5 cabin cleaning trucks worth of trash bags, but just to speed up the process, I'm going to click request waste pickup, and then towards the entrance of your map, you should be able to see like a yellow truck spawn. Alright, here it is. I don't know why I said yellow. I envisioned one of the fuel trucks, but basically this hauler will come up to your airport, and it will drive into your airside. So it's unlike a catering depot where it has public access. And then it will make its way to your depot, and then it will fill up with trash bags, and then it will leave. And that is how catering works in Airport CEO. Not too much more to say on that. Thank you guys. Oh, there are 2 more coming in. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Please be sure to check out some of my other content and subscribe. Columbus Aviation, signing out.